Hello everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. For those who don't know, my name is Jose. In today's video, I was inspired by pink lemonade, creating this look that you see before you today on screen. If you haven't already, which thank you if you already have, please consider subscribing to the YouTube channel. I highly appreciate it. Now let us begin the tutorial. We start our routine with NYX's Ultimate Eye Primer going all over the lids. I am applying a generous amount for extra area coverage with Morphe's E8 brush. I apologize, my audience. I did not realize that multiple clips were missing from this video. Please bear with me and please forgive me. But moving on to our eyeshadows, we are first creating the shape of our outer wing to blend this out later with the pink hue shortly. Today we are using Jeffree Star's Blood Queen from the Bloodlust palette and with a nameless brush. Next, with actual footage, we have our transitional shade coming from the James Charles and Morphe's palette, the lower right corner pink shade. Again, to blend out the Blood Queen from just before. Alright, here comes more where we're missing some fucking footage. Anyway, next we will grab our Morphe's M124 brush to carve out our cut crease with a mixture from LA Girl's white mixing pigment and NYX's eye primer from before. The second part of our missing footage consists of these tools. A brush from Ecos Tools, the blurring brush, the eyeshadow shade Head Out from Morphe and Disney's Mickey and Friends Truth Be Bold palette. As an expert, that is a mouthful. I think we're going to start on the rest of the face. I'll be back. Everyone, would you like to say hello to Zeus? Say hi, Zeus. Say hi, baby. To help finalize everything, if we can follow that, we are applying Maybelline's Master Precise All Day Eyeliner to create a guide for our lifted wings. Then we will use a liquid liner to fill in our gaps. I could not recall the brand name at this time. Okay. Well, we fucked up already. Just gotta. The fuck? This bitch a psycho. Yeah. Okay, we're good. We're excellent. Got a little itch right there. Got a little itch. We're looking real good. Okay, I do have some unique lashes that I want to show y'all. I got these from my auntie. I don't know if y'all can tell on the screen because there's a little fate in real life. Can y'all tell? Can y'all tell? Yeah, I can. Look at those tips. Look at those tips. They're pink. Yo, my eyes look insane. My eyes just look insane. I think the lashes are a bit much. I really wanted to wear them because of the pink tips, but I think I'm better off just wearing something else. I'm going to press on finalizing the face. I will see y'all in the outro. And welcome back to me. Thank you all for hanging out with me today. Before you go, please leave a like on the video. And to find more of me, you may search JDV unofficial at mostly everywhere. Until next time, I hope you all take care and have a great day. Bye!